Hello and welcome to CHD 298, your portfolio class. My name is Jeannie Hopkins and I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. So, congratulations on almost being done with your degree. I know you're excited and I've got some great news for you. This is a very easy class. Essentially, all you're doing now is taking everything you've learned over the however long you've been in our program and putting it together so that you can demonstrate that you know how to really live and work out the 6 Naeyc standards of professional development. So you should be familiar with them at this point, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to get together all of your assignments that you've done in every CHD class. Your teacher should have been telling you to save your work. So you're going to take your lesson plans, your observations, your menu, your reports you've done, things like that. And then you're going to categorize your work by using the Naeyc standards. So for instance, your menu you did in health, that would fall under Naeyc Standard 1, which is Understanding Child Development and Learning. So we have Naeyc Standard 1, Child Development and Learning. Standard 2 is Family and Community. Standard 3 is Observation and Assessment. Standard 4 is Developmentally Appropriate Practices and Approaches. Standard 5 is Meaningful Developmentally Appropriate Curriculum. And Standard 6 is Professionalism. Now, I have already given you access to the portfolio guidelines, which give you some ideas of some different things that you might have that fit into each of those categories. But ultimately, you're really going to need to read the book, especially Chapter 1 and some other resources I've given you, so you can understand exactly what all those standards mean, and it will help you categorize your work. It's very important. Also, it helps you be more familiar with this, so you can drop all of these words and things when you go interview at high-quality childcare centers, which will help you get hired. So, this is only a 1 credit hour class. It is not meant to be hard. There's very few assignments, and most of your work is the portfolio. So we're going to spend the first 8 weeks actually gathering your artifacts, which is your work. We call it artifacts in the book. And we're going to go through a slow process where we take all of your stuff. You've got this big pile of stuff, right? And we're going to make it smaller and smaller. As we start dwindling down and saying, what do we want to keep? What is the best picture of our work? So for instance, a paper you write on your child guidance philosophy shows more of your creativity and application than a journal review, article review, you know? So we'll narrow those down. And then the second 8 weeks we will spend doing reflective narratives. So what these are is you're going to write kind of a little like half-page blurb where you really break down why you put this artifact in the Naeyc category, you know, what connects with that and what you learned from it and how what you learned will benefit the children in your care. It's really easy. And it really helps you just get a concrete idea of why you do what you do and how it falls into the Naeyc standards. So that's about it. What you need to do now is go onto the Blackboard class site, and well, you might have already done this by now, but you want to make sure to go to course information, read the syllabus. In the syllabus you'll find everything we're going to do and all of the due dates, which are all Sundays. You also can go to course content, and you will see it's set up by weeks. So here's the thing. This is kind of a self-paced course. And what I mean by kind of is that you can work ahead as much as you want. I've got all 16 weeks or 10 weeks, depending on which semester this is, laid out for you. So you can work ahead as much as you want at your own pace. You just can't fall behind. So you still have to meet the due dates for all the activities and assignments. You'll see there's roughly a weekly activity that is just me helping you and giving you feedback. So it's not like a graded assignment, but it is worth a little bit of points because you're going to be turning in stuff to me so I can give you feedback on it, so it is perfect for your grade in the portfolio. So you'll see what I'm talking about. Some examples are you'll list all of your artifacts and what Naeyc standard they fall under. And when you do that, I'll give you feedback as to which ones you should put in your portfolio, which ones you shouldn't, things like that. So that's it. So go ahead and get into week 1. I have set up weeks 1 through 5 already, and I will update as we go along. And if you need anything, please reach out to me. I am available by email, which is really quick. You can come by my office during office hours, and those hours are located on the first page of the syllabus. Or you can give me a call in the office at 822-2758. I'm totally here for you, and I look forward to working with you this semester. So this week, all you need to do is read the syllabus and the handouts that I emailed you that are on week 1, and go on week 1 under course content and make sure to post your introduction so we can all know who we're working with this semester. All right, I look forward to working with you this semester, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.